Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeforms account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close or cancel your Typeform account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to close your Typeform account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a lot of different online tools and software. So you need to keep track of it, especially if you're not using it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Typeform account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and permanently close down your Typeform account, you need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Your Setting. Okay, once you click there, you'll see this menu here on the right. Make sure you've clicked on Your Settings right here on the left. Once you've done that, you'll see this menu right here with more information about your Typeform account. And to permanently close down your account, you're going to scroll to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this section right here, Danger Zone, and a big red button here, Delete Account. That's where you can permanently delete your account. They do warn you, if you delete your account, all of the data, Typeforms, all the information is lost and you cannot recover. It's permanent. If you're sure you want to go ahead and do that, click on Delete Account. Next, because you're going to be permanently deleting everything, you have to authenticate your account before you can delete it. So click on Authenticate. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have to set up email authentication. I'm not going to do that because I still use my Typeform account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your Typeform account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.